Hello students, lesson number today we are starting the next lesson number 16, surface area and volume. So before starting the lesson, let's recall the points that we studied in our last standard, that is the class 7th. So in 7th standard you studied the total surface area of a cuboid. What is the total surface of cuboid? As you know all, this is the cuboidal face. Okay, and the cuboid has what? Length, this is the breadth, and that is the height. Okay, so the total surface area, and if you notice, you will if you see here, you will notice that the surface shape of a surface of this cuboid is rectangular in shape. And what we are finding? Total surface area of cuboid. So each face has a means is which shape? Rectangular shape. So for finding the total surface area of a cuboid, total surface area of cuboid is equals to what? It has how many shape? What is the area of this face? Here length into height. Length is this and breadth is h. Okay, so area of this face is equals to L into S, because area of rectangle is equal to what is its formula? Length into breadth. Length is L and breadth is h. So area of this face, upper face, is the L into h. The area of this face, what is the area? Its area is length. Here also it is also rectangular shape, so L into B, length into breadth. And area of, what is the area of this side, this face? Area of this face, that is the B into H. Okay, B into H. That is the areas we have found it. Now if you notice, see here, upper face and the surface match box, how it is there? Its shape is like the cuboid shape. So here two faces are, L into H is there, its two faces, one is here and one below this cuboid. And length into breadth also, one is this side and one is up here at this place. And for breadth into H means here it is B into H. So the area, total surface area of cuboid is equal to area, total surface area we are taking, L into H plus L into B plus L into H, B into H. Okay, so LH, LB and BH, and two faces are there, that's why 2. So that is the formula for the total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into bracket LB into BH plus HM. Okay, so that is about the recall, that we recall it. And same thing is there, if you see here, you will notice that total surface area of a cube, that we will study how it is there. As the cuboid has every face rectangular in shape, this shape is the rectangular. If you see here, every face is a rectangular. Same the way the cuboid has, cuboid means dice that you are playing, the snake and ladder, at that time playing, you are using that cube. Okay, otherwise cubes you are playing, its shape is the cuboid, and its all sides are same in length, and area of each face is equal to how much? L square, means side square. Area of squares formula is side square. Here side means how much? Length. So here L square, L square, L square. Here but downside also one face is there, its area is L square. Here it is L square, and below this space here also one area is there, L square. So how many total L squares are there? Total L squares equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So total surface area of cube is equals to 6 into L square, and that we have already studied in our last class. Okay, with this one more thing is that we studied, that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. These are the measuring units of the distance, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to, if you see your scale, you will notice that here in between 1 centimeter, 0 to 1 inside, other 1 to 2 inside, 10 small lines are there. These lines are 10 mm. Next it is the 1 square meter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to how much? I told you 100 centimeter. So 100 is here, and square means it's a square. 100 into 100 is equal to 1000. How much meter? Square meter. 1 square meter is equal to 1000. 100 into 100 square meter means only 10,000 square centimeter. Here units are changing, just keep in attention. Here meter is there. When we are multiply it with the 100, the unit it changes to the centimeter, and these two's multiplication is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. And 10,000 means how many zeros are there on it? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 zeros are there. That's why 10's power is 4 is the short indices form inside we are writing this. So 1 square centimeter is equal to 100 into 100 square centimeter means only 10,000 square centimeter means only 10 raised to 4 square centimeter. Then the next point is the 1 centimeter is equal to 100 mm. Same way 1 square centimeter is equal to, just now I told you on scale how many lines are there in between 0 and 10? 10 lines are there. So multiply 10 into 10, you will get 10 into 10, 100, and 100 means 10 square is the 100, and square centimeter is there, it changes to the 10 square meter, millimeter, square mm and square mm. In this way that we have studied. Now this year we are going to study the new points, okay, and which are those points? That is, we have to study how to find the volume of a cuboid. How to find the volume of a cuboid. If you see here, what is our lesson name? Surface area and the volume. Okay, so volume is there, that we will study now how to find out the value of cube and cuboid, because we already studied the surface area of a cube and cuboid. Now here activity is given to us. The cube with side 1 centimeter is shown in the adjoining figure. Here it is 1 centimeter cube. The space occupied by this cube is a standard unit of a volume. Okay, so how much space it occupies is the standard unit, and it is written as a 1 cubic centimeter, because its length is how much? 1 centimeter, breadth also 1 centimeter, and the height also 1 centimeter. Okay, and the volume is, how to find the volume of it? That is, in short, volume is equals to how much? 1 cubic centimeter, and cubic centimeter we can write as a cc. C for cubic, C for centimeter. So 1 cubic centimeter is equals to, is the volume of this cuboid. Okay, clear? Now it is written as 1 cubic centimeter. In short, it is written as 1 cc or 1 cubic form means how square centimeter means, how we are writing square centimeter? cm square we can write. Okay, same way 1 cubic centimeter we can write as in that way. Cubic means cube. Okay, so here the volume of this cube is equals to how much? 1 cubic centimeter. Now get some cubes with side 1 centimeter. Arrange 6 cubes in as shown in the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In that way we have to arrange as shown in the figure in our textbook. Now we get a cuboidal length. Now it is cuboid because each face is a rectangular shape now. Okay, that's why it is a cuboid. Now we get a cuboid of length. What is the length of this? 1, 2, 3 centimeter, and height is equal to 1 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 1 and 2 centimeter. So here L into B into H is the formula. 2 into 3 into 1 is equals to 6 cubic centimeter. Okay, so what is its for volume? 6 cubic centimeter. Okay, so what is its formula? Formula of to find the volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L for length, B for breadth and H for height. Okay, now here one more activity is given to us. So in this activity, length, breadth and height of the adjoining cuboid is 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. If you see here, one cube is here, 1, 2 and 3. Each cube is there, its length is equal to how much? 1 centimeter. Now here length is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 2 centimeter and height is equals to also 2 centimeter. Now to find its area, how many cubes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. these front 6 cubes are there and back side 6 cubes are there. So total its volume is equals to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. But how we can use the formula to find it? So formula to find it is that what volume of cuboid is equal to L into L for length, B for breadth and H for height, L into B into H. Okay, so that is important in that volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. It is very important. It's important formula that we have to use at the time of solving examples. Now here one more activity is given, which is that activity. So here in the adjoining figure 8 cubes, each volume is 1 cubic centimeter is arranged. So if you see here, they are arranged in such a way that its length is equal to also 2 centimeter, breadth is equal to also 2 centimeter and height is equal to also 2 centimeter. Okay, now how to find out the volume of such a face? That is, each face volume is equals to, now this is a cube shape and each face value is face volume length is equals to 2, 2 and 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2's cube. Okay, so from this the side of cube is if L centimeter, then the volume of cube is equal to L into L is equal to L cube. Volume of liquid, space occupied by a liquid in a container is its volume. Okay, volume means what? Volume generally we are finding the liquid's volume. How much liter of water will fill inside the bottle? Okay, otherwise suppose you are taken a any shape and inside it how much water, how much milk can fill inside it, that is its volume. Liquid's volume we are finding. Now here volume of liquid is equal to space occupied by the liquid in the container is its volume. We know that it's that unit used to measuring the volume of a liquid are millimeter and the liter. Okay, we are measuring liquids, we are measuring milk, we are bringing 1 liter, otherwise 5 liter, water 20 liters, 30 liters. In this way our syntax capacity is the 500 liters. In that way we are measuring the liquids in the volume, liquid volume. An empty cube of side 100 centimeter is shown in the adjoining figure. Okay, here at 100 centimeter is there. Its volume, how we are finding? It is cube shape. So just now I told you what is the volume's formula? Length side cube. So here 10's cube means 10 into 10 into 10 means 10 tens are 100 and 100 tens are 1000 is the its a capacity. 1000 means what? 1000 ml. So here 1 liter is equal to how much? 1000 cubic centimeter is the 1 liter is the 1 liter. We know that 1 liter is equal to how much? 1000 milliliter. And 1 liter means just now we what we find 1000 cc cubic centimeter means only 1000 ml. Hence 1 cc is equal to 1 ml. That we have to keep in your mind. Means 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. So volume of water filled in the cube is equals to 1 centimeter is 1 milliliter. Clear? Just now I told you how to derive the formulas of it, and then we will see the solved example which is given here. So find how many liter of water. Find how many liter of water. So how much liter of water is there they are asking, means it's a capacity they are asking, means we have to find out its a volume of cuboidal fish tank. So this is the cuboidal fish tank is shown in the picture. Contain if its length, breadth and height is equals to how much? Length is equals to how much? 1 meter and breadth is equal to 40 centimeter and its height is equals to 50 centimeter respectively. Okay, the water contained in the tank is equals to volume of the tank, that I told you before only. Capacity we have to find out, means only we have to find out its a volume. The length of the tank, how much it is there, and just now we studied if all the units are in the same, then we can apply the formulas for it. If units are different, here meter is given, here centimeter is given, here centimeter, means the units are different because meter and centimeter came. So first of all we have to make the units of this all same. So 1 meter is equal to how much? Just now we seen it, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now breadth is equal to how much given here? 40 centimeter and height is equal to 50. Once conversion over, then we have to just use the formula. It is with shape cuboid. So what is the formula of volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height, means only 100 into 40 into 50 is equals to how much? 2 lakhs cubic centimeter. Okay, but we have to convert it into the liter. So volume of water tank is equal to 2 lakh cubic centimeter, and conversion we are doing, so we have to divide it with the 1000. So 2 lakh upon 1000 means how much? Zeros get cancels with 0, 0 get cancels with 0, this 0 get cancels with this 0, and this 0 get cancels with 0. So remains here 22,000 liter. Okay, and here since what is this sign? This is a sign of therefore, and this is since 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter, and therefore the tank will contain how much water? 200 liter of water. Okay, so whenever we have to solve this type of example, what we have to do? We have to use the formula, that is length into breadth into height. So here length, breadth and height, so 2 lakh cubic centimeter, and convert into liter because we are finding its capacity, and that's why what happens here, that is the 200 liter is its answer. Okay, now the second and third example we will see in our next lecture, and today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.